Hydrostatics 2012 question 9 part B. A uniform rod of length 2 meters and weight W is freely hinged at a point P. The rod of relative density 0.756 is free to move about a horizontal axis through the point P. The other end of the rod is immersed in a liquid of relative density 0.9. The point P is 0.4 meters above the surface of the liquid. The rod is in equilibrium and is inclined at an angle theta to the vertical. Find the length of the immersed part and then find the value of theta. So if we create a new diagram, the whole thing is 2. So if we let this be the midpoint of the bottom part, we look at our buoyancy in a minute. And if we think in this question, we can let W, it's in equilibrium. If we let W be in the middle here, this is P, W, this is going to be 1 meter. If we let this guy underneath be X all the way, these are going to be X over 2 and X over 2. And then this one from here, from the surface to P, is going to be 2 minus X. Let me just give it a little dot at the end. So let's have a look at our buoyancy first. Our buoyancy, so we have a couple of things going on. We have the liquid is of relative density 0.9 and the rod is of relative density 0.756. So we have to apply both of those to the buoyancy part. So the buoyancy is going to be equal to, what are we looking at, X over 2 times W times the buoyancy, or the density of the liquid, or the relative density of the liquid 0.9, and we're going to divide that by S, the relative density of the rod, 0.756. And we can tidy that up a bit by bringing the 0.756 up to the bottom. So we're going to get 0.9xW over 1.512. Okay, now we can look at moments about P, because we just have B and W going on here. So moments about P, well, how far away is W? W is 1 away, so W times 1 is going to be equal to, how far away is B? B is 2 minus X plus X over 2. 2 minus X plus X over 2. So W is going to be equal to B times 2 minus X over 2. Let's just tidy that up a bit. W will become B times 4 minus X over 2. Now we have two values for buoyancy. So, well, one value for buoyancy, I mean, we have two. We can replace this B with the B from above, and we'll have what we have. We'll have a W on each side, which we can cancel, and we should be able to solve for X. So W is equal to 0.9 XW over 1.512 times 4 minus X over 2. So we can cancel the W's and divide by W, making that one a 1. So 1 is equal to 0.9x over 1.512 multiplied by 4 minus x over 2. So we're going to multiply this out, we get a quadratic. I can take the two bottoms. 2 by 1.512 is 3.024, and multiply it by the left. 3.024, these two guys by 1, is equal to 0.9x by 4, which is 3.6x, minus 0.9x by x, 0.9x squared. So bringing these two things to the left, we're going to get 0.9x squared minus 3.6x plus 3.024 equals 0. So quickly type that into your calculators. Or we could divide by 0.9. I think 0.9 looks like it definitely goes into 3.6. Does it go into 3.024? Divide by 0.9, it does go into the mole. Minus x squared minus 4x plus 3.36. Now we need to multiply by 100 to get rid of this decimal, so let's do that. 100x squared minus 400x. You'll probably just type this into your calculator and use the quadratic formula. It's probably easier to do it that way. Now let's have a look here. 56 by 6 is 336. So 28 by 12 is also 336, and we can see 280 and 120 would give us 400. So 10x by 10x, and we're going to have two minuses, so they're both 10, so it doesn't matter which bracket is which. Minus 12 and minus 28, it's going to give us minus 120 minus 280. So x is going to be equal to 28 over 10. Well, it can't be, the whole length is 2, so it can't be 28 over 10. Or x is equal to 12 over 10, which is 1.2. So this must be the correct answer for x. So let's have a look back up. What else are they looking for? The angle. So, well, we have the angle theta was to the vertical in here. So we have a triangle, a right angle triangle. So we need we have the 0.4, so we need 2 minus x, and we have a 0.4. So we have 0.4, 2 minus x is 0.8. Theta is here, so it's a and h, so the cos of theta is equal to 0.4 over 0.8, which you can see is a half, and all of you know that the cos of 60 is equal to a half, so theta is equal to 60 degrees.